this tutorial, I'm going to explain how you can create locations in SRMS Online. There are three types of location that can be created: study areas, nest sites, and observation sites. There are two main ways that locations can be created. The first we will look at is map view. Locations can be created by selecting the appropriate location type from the Add Locations drop-down list in the toolbar above the map. To create a study area, you simply draw the boundary on the map by clicking the cursor at the turning points on the boundary. Here, the blue outline shows the boundary that I've started drawing to depict a fictional study area at the University of Stirling. To add either a nest site or observation site, you simply click on the map to drop a pin at the appropriate location. Here you can see the blue pin that I'm in the process of placing for a new nest site. Locations can also be created in table view by selecting the appropriate location type from the Add Locations drop-down list in the toolbar above the table. To create any of the location types, you need to type in either the latitude and longitude or grid reference. You are perhaps more likely to create locations via table view if you already have a known grid reference for the site you're creating, perhaps having taken a GPS reading when you were in the field. When you are creating either a nest site or observation site via either map view or list view, you need to confirm the home range that the site is part of and the precision of the location. You also need to complete a form containing the key information for the site you are creating. We will come back and look at the detail of creating each location type via map view and list view in further tutorials.